Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of Dunns River Falls. We are in Ocherius in St. Anne. And this is Dunns River Falls that we're going into now, or we're turning into. Now Dunns River Falls has a lot of land, over 188 acres, yet the actual falls, the part of the land that's developed, is probably 10% of that, 20, 30 acres the most. So they have a lot of land, and Dunns River Falls is the number one tourist attraction in Jamaica. The number one by far. It gets up to 1 million visitors a year to the falls. Now Jamaica has a population of 3 million, and we have up to 6 million visitors coming in a year. And Dunns River Falls gets 1 million visits a year. So it is by far the largest attraction in Jamaica. So the government wants to build it out, have more attractions there. Right now you just have the falls. So we're looking at building out hotels, building out other facilities on the land that's not being used. And this is a section that's not being used. It's right beside the parking lot, and the falls are on the other side of the parking lot. A lot of space. Now, when you think of countries like the Bahamas, you think of Atlantis, this giant water park. Dunns River Falls could be like that. You could build an entire tourist destination with hotels, everything you need right here at Dunns River Falls. It is already the number one attraction in Jamaica, so why not just build it out so that it has everything that you need. Everything. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Dunns River Falls and Park, nestled along the scenic coastline of Ocherius, remains one of Jamaica's most iconic and beloved natural attractions. Drawing over 1 million visitors each year, the cascading waterfalls and lush surrounding forests have long been a symbol of Jamaica's natural beauty and tourism strength. In 2025, the Urban Development Corporation launched an ambitious plan to redevelop the park, enhancing its offerings while preserving its ecological integrity. The redevelopment is guided by a newly commissioned 10 to 15-year master plan, which will set the stage for transforming the park into a more modern, diverse, and sustainable destination by the year 2040. The plan, which covers the full 188-acre property, aims to upgrade facilities, introduce new attractions, and improve the overall visitor experience. With increasing competition in the Caribbean tourism market, the project is designed to keep Dunns River Falls at the forefront of regional ecotourism. One of the most significant aspects of the redevelopment is the diversification of visitor activities. The UDC intends to introduce adventure-based attractions such as ATV tours, bicycle trails, zip-line courses, expanding the traditional climbing and waterfall experience into a full-day adventure park. There are also plans to introduce water-based activities like kayaking and rafting in calmer sections of the park's river system. These features are intended to attract a wider demographic, from the thrill seekers to nature lovers, and encourage longer stays and higher spending per visitor. Alongside new attractions, the UDC is also upgrading retail and cultural offerings. Through public-private partnerships, it has opened up lease opportunities for gift shops, snack bars, and artisan kiosks, allowing small entrepreneurs to offer locally made products and Jamaican cuisine. These enhancements not only boost the economic potential of the park, but also creates a deeper cultural connection for tourists through interaction with Jamaican craftspeople and vendors. From an economic perspective, the redevelopment is expected to increase park revenue significantly. The UDC projects an increase from Jamaican 1.8 billion to 2.4 billion, fueled by improved attractions, longer visitor dwell times, and diversified revenue streams. This growth is particularly vital as Jamaica continues to rebuild and modernize its tourism infrastructure in the post-pandemic era. The redevelopment of Dunns River Falls and Park represents a thoughtful and transformative step by the UDC. It reflects a commitment to modernizing Jamaica's tourism product while preserving its natural and cultural heritage. With new attractions, enhanced visitor experiences, and inclusive economic opportunities, Dunns River is poised to remain not only a symbol of Jamaican beauty, but also a model for sustainable destination development in the Caribbean. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.